So the headlight on my wife's new Yamaha XT250 is like extremely weak, way underwhelming. So we're gonna go outside right now and change it. What are you doing?
Changing my headlight. Learning to understand my own bike, if I can. Which way is tight? Which way? How do I turn it?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
So turn it left.
Counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise. That's turning towards the right. It's gonna. Oh, look at that! It worked.
The JNS Engineering headlight. There it is. It looks like a Cyclops or something. Pretty high tech.
Like me, I'm pretty high tech.
Well, why are you going that way? Counterclockwise.
Oh, you're right. Okay. Ta-da! Did I break some?
Other way.
Oh, you're right. Okay. Apparently, I forget how a clock works. Ta-da! Oh. I gotta disconnect something there, huh? I think I got it. I don't know the technical word for it. Making these things tight. I think that's like cinching down the something. Here we go. Dun-dun-dun. All right, we got it. Ta-da! Whoa, is that too much?
Start it up.
Okay.